today's tutorial we are going to download Eclipse. So here are some features of Eclipse, and now we are going to show you how to download Eclipse. So first we need to download JRE8. So it's a Java runtime environment. So we are going to download it. So here is Java downloads. So these are the packages for Linux, Mac, and Windows 86 processor, Windows 64-bit processor. So our Windows is 64-bit, so we are going to download 64 bits. You must accept and then download. So before you download it, you need to sign up for the Oracle. They will directly take you to their website, and if you don't have your account, you can create it one. I have created mine, so I'll go ahead, proceed and download it. So I am downloading JRE8. Now let us download JDK8. This is the second file we need to run Eclipse. So we are going to download JDK. So here it is for 64 Windows 64. So let us see Windows 64. It is, yeah, we are going to download it. Accept the terms. Download. So we have to keep it. So we are going to go for downloads. Yeah, here come on starting downloads. Thirdly, we are going to download Eclipse. So let us download it. Eclipse download. Go to the main website of Eclipse. Then you will be able to download it from there. So our processor is 64 bits. So Windows 64 downloading takes pro time. So I am skipping some process. So it will download obviously. So now it will show the downloads. See, we have now started downloading Eclipse, JDK, and JRE. So I have skipped some process. So I will be seeing directly to my folders. So we are going to install JRE first. So now we are going to install it. So it is a Java installation. Takes a little bit time. This down. It has been installed. I think. Yeah, installed. Successfully installed. Now we are going to install JDK 8. It is installing. Yeah, JDK update. Next. There are development tool and source codes on next. So it is installing faster than the regular times. Extracting installer. Yeah. So I'm skipping some process and it has, yeah, installed. Next steps. These are the documentations, so we'll skip it. Let's close it. Install successfully. Install. Close it. Now you're going to install Eclipse. Yeah, Eclipse. Yeah, Eclipse installer. It is installing. Yeah, here there are packages, so you can install any one of them, but I'm going to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So install it. Accept. Install. It takes some time process, so it is installing. So accept the terms. Accepting it is installing faster. So Eclipse IDE for Java developer has been installed. Now we are going to launch it. It's launched now. Launch it again. Okay. Now see, we have installed it. It is launching. So you are going to see the Eclipse ID for Java developers. It is the starting homepage of the Eclipse. So you can create Java project here. So give your name, project name. I'm giving my Vikral Tech Junior .js. Finish. I don't want to create one, so I'll just skip it. So this is how you download Eclipse. You need three uh, packages. Thank you, friends.